So let's see how those rates are panning out at the first stick. As far as Nifty is concerned, it's at least open in the green. Now flattening out a bit, 18,540 is where we are at. So it's gone into the red with that open itself. The Sensex is now down almost 50 points, and the Nifty Bank too, as usual, is in the red. But look at that advance decline ratio for you on the screen. There are 1,000 stocks advancing to 300 stocks declining, and that is telling you that there's a lot of momentum in the mid cap and the small cap space, and that's something which is very, very positive for the market. It's IT which has started right there on the front foot. So Tech Mahindra is higher by 0.5%. TCS, with the new CEO coming over from today itself, is also seeing quite a bit of positive momentum. So 0.6% higher for TCS as well. You have Emphasis, all of the counters are actually comfortably in the green. The next space which is seeing a bit of attraction is financials, in the sense of Axis Bank as well as HDFC Limited. So both of these counters are in the positive. Even metals have actually opened with the green. In fact, all the sectors seem to have opened in the green. It's Hindalco which is higher by 1%. Jindal Stainless is also doing its bit. And if you look at the stock-specific action on the losing side, of course, Coal India is seeing that technical reaction, as we pointed out. So that stock is down in the trading session. Gujarat Gas also, the increased competition coming in, is seeing a cut. Kotak Mahindra Bank is in focus as well. You also have Bharti Airtel, which was seeing a very, very volatile move in the last 15 minutes of the trading session yesterday. That continues to be quite volatile. In terms of the gainers, however, Adani Group of stocks, so Adani Transmission, Adani Green, they are the couple of names, and then Indus Tower as well. I also wanted to check on what's happening with Union Bank, because there was a big brokerage note coming in this morning talking about a bit of a downgrade. Let's see if there is any reaction on that counter. For now, it's holding up with just a 0.5% gain. Escorts is the other one, wherein I think the numbers just came with respect to the auto data. That's seeing a bit of a momentum pickup when it comes to the volume. But overall, have to say, Avan, it's not a very bad opening. 18,550 is where we are, and very impressive advance decline.
It's actually the small cap end of the market that's showing you traction, if at all. 0.7% gain. Adani Transmission, RITES, Scient, Zensar Tech, Sequence Scientific, RHI, Magnesita, TCI Express. Those are some of the stocks that are looking pretty resilient on the screen. We're calling it not a bad start. Konar, would you beg to differ, or do you agree?
I think it's a good start for the indices, because after yesterday's handover, if we are opening flat on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, that will probably be a very good sign. And the action is more stock specific, because a lot of stocks which are riding on high momentum, there seems to be a good follow through up move for these names. Now the stock which I would look to trade in the open would be Mahindra and Mahindra. Looks extremely attractive. The stock coming back to that 1300 plus mark. I think over the last couple of days there's been very good signs of momentum getting renewed for Mahindra and Mahindra, and that's a stock which I'd be keenly tracking on.
Okay, M&M, that's a stock that you're tracking this morning. Naresh, what about you? Naresh, you need to unmute yourself.
That would be Bharat Forge. The stock is setting up for a short-term breakout, so it looks pretty promising for a move towards 900 in the short to medium term.
So that's the first trade coming in from Naresh as well.